Back in September, when we started planning this topic, I thought some of my plans might be a little ambitious, but the children have just totally exceeded everything I could have hoped from a topic like this, and I'm extremely proud of them. We integrated as many aspects of other curriculum as we could into this topic, the health centre topic. And we tasked the children to design a health centre for Northup Hall. We did allow them money, no object, and it would be free. But that was beside the point. And we set them up in design companies, or they set themselves up in design companies. And these are the design companies who are going to present their bid to you for the health centre for Northup Hall as they would like to see it. They've learned so many new skills over this last term, and each time they learn something new, something else I could teach them, because they just pick things up so quickly, we could stretch and move them on. It's been fantastic. There are 6 presentations, and then the children are there for you to go and ask questions to afterwards, because I'm sure they'd like to explain to you more about what they've included and why they've included it, and they can tell you in detail why they've included lots of things they had. Enough from me. I'm going to hand you over to the first company, if they'd like to come up and get something prepared.